Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a virtual product within WooCommerce. So if you are selling an ebook or one-on-one consultation, online courses or design services, WooCommerce make it very easy to create virtual products without shipping or inventory management. So let's begin. So I will tell you how can we create it step by step. So just go to your WordPress dashboard. After that, just go to products, then click on add new product. In here, you need to name your product. So for example, here I will name it one on one WordPress website consultation. So if someone wants to consultate about his website, you can give it one-on-one WordPress website consultation. So here in product description, I will insert my description here. So here, and after that, I will insert same description in my short description here. Then I will just give it a price here. So for example, here, this one is $50. So I will give it $50 and then make sure to click on virtual product. So this is a virtual product. And after that, go to your product gallery or product image, just insert your image. So for example, I will just insert this image here and then I will just click on publish and let me see the product here. So here this product is virtual product one-on-one WordPress website consultation. So they can buy the product and you can give them consultation virtually online. So here if you want to insert any attributes, so for example different prices, so you can do that as well. So it's totally up to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.